Join me as I dive into the world of real estate photography to find out which lens will reign supreme in 2025. In this video, you'll explore the best lens options for real estate photography in 2025, ensuring your property listings stand out. Real estate photography is highly competitive, and using the wrong lens can result in poorly captured spaces that fail to attract buyers. The right lens can make all the difference in showcasing a property's best features and attracting potential buyers. A good lens can help capture the atmosphere and feel of a space, making it more inviting to viewers. Real estate photography requires a lens that can produce high-quality images with excellent detail and color accuracy. Poorly captured images can deter potential buyers and harm the reputation of the real estate agent or photographer. Real estate photographers often face challenges when it comes to capturing large spaces, such as living rooms or bedrooms, and making them look appealing. This is where the right lens comes into play, as it can help to create a sense of depth and dimension in the image. The wrong lens can make a space look cramped or uninviting, which can be a major turn-off for potential buyers. Different types of lenses are available, each with its own strengths and weaknesses, and choosing the right one can be overwhelming for photographers. Wide-angle lenses and prime lenses are popular choices for real estate photography, each offering unique features that make them suitable for capturing properties effectively. Wide-angle lenses provide a broad field of view, allowing photographers to capture more of the space in a single shot. Prime lenses, on the other hand, offer exceptional image quality and a shallow depth of field, which can help to create a sense of intimacy and warmth in the image. The choice of lens ultimately depends on the specific needs of the photographer and the type of property being captured. When it comes to wide-angle lenses, they are ideal for capturing large spaces, such as living rooms or kitchens. They provide a broad field of view, allowing photographers to capture more of the space in a single shot. Prime lenses, on the other hand, are better suited for capturing smaller spaces, such as bedrooms or bathrooms, and can help to create a sense of intimacy and warmth in the image. The top recommended lens for real estate photography in 2025 is the Canon EF 16-35mm f. 2.8 L3 USM lens, based on expert opinions and user reviews. This lens offers exceptional image quality, a broad field of view, and a wide aperture, making it ideal for capturing a variety of spaces. It is also durable and well-built, with a robust design that can withstand the demands of regular use. Other notable lenses include the Nikon AFS-NIKKOR 14-24mm f. 2.8G ED lens and the Sony FE 12-24mm f. 4G lens, which offers similar features and image quality. These lenses are highly regarded for their exceptional image quality, durability, and versatility, making them popular choices among real estate photographers. They offer a range of features, including wide apertures, broad fields of view, and advanced image stabilization, which can help to create high-quality images in a variety of lighting conditions. When choosing a lens, it's essential to consider the specific needs of the photographer and the type of property being captured, as well as the budget and personal preferences. In conclusion, choosing the right lens is crucial for successful real estate photography, as it can make all the difference in showcasing a property's best features and attracting potential buyers. By considering the specific needs of the photographer and the type of property being captured, and selecting a high-quality lens that offers exceptional image quality, durability, and versatility, real estate photographers can create high-quality images that stand out and attract buyers. Join the conversation by sharing your favorite lenses in the comments below, and check out our other videos for more photography tips and tricks to help you improve your skills and take your real estate photography to the next level.